Oh my god. Ah. Oh god. That better be like all the money they got in the background for doing this shit, cause I don't think you could pay me $1 million to do that shit. Oh, disgusting.